The first method of my program prompts the user for a file name, and upon successfully opening that file, it populates two arrays with the contents of it. The first of which is for display purposes, so it's exactly as the file is, and the second of which sets all the elements to lowercase for later censorship. The second method of my program just initializes another array with a preset file and populates that array with just bad words that will later on censor the other two arrays. The third method of the program basically is a nested while loop that flicks through the entire lowercase inputted array and checks it with the bad words of the second array. And upon finding a match, it will then assign just asterisks to the element of the inputted array instead of the initial bad word that was found. I then found it quite difficult to display using given methods by Java, so I decided to make my own method to display the array. So I managed this by basically one by one assigning each word and concatenating it to a string, just a regular string variable. And I did this with both the inputted list and the then censored list. And of course this is all called by the GUI upon pressing buttons, so it's all handled by the action handlers. And then that is also called by the main there. And I'm just going to run it now. So if I put in, the name of my file is uncensored text, so I'm just going to get rid of all that filler and choose file. You can see down here it says file successfully loaded. Press OK. And unfortunately I couldn't manage to get the GUI to repaint, so I'm going to have to change that there. And there's a crude example of an inputted file. And then if we want to go ahead and censor that file, it says file successfully censored. And then if I expand this again, it'll give me the lowercase and censored version of the inputted file.